I stopped using cleaner apps once I discovered these powerful, amazing, free cleaner apps that you can use on your device, either on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The joy of it is that this particular cleaner apps is free of charge. You get it free on your device, and literally you can do so many things with these apps without wasting a dime. And process is very simple. And this app is called Microsoft PC Manager. In today's video, I will guide you on how to access these free tools on your device and let you know how to use it for free. Very simple. Come to this search bar, guys, type in Microsoft Store. When you click on Microsoft Store, then go to the search section, search for Microsoft PC Manager. Then click on install and install this app on your device. Once the app has installed on your device, then open it. It looks like this. So we're going to take a look and dive in deep into this platform, because this is going to help you and it's going to save you some money you need to waste on cleaner apps before you can use your computer. Now let's move on with the home button. Your PC has a lot of temporary files. You can see it tells me that my PC has a lot of temporary file which you need to clean up as soon as possible. Then you have the boost option, tells you the memory usage. About 55% of my device memory should have been used, and temporary file is at 2.1 gig is temporary file. So click on this button to boost that. Then this you can use to check the health condition of your device. Then you can use one to share the process of your device. You can use as well to make a deep clean up of your device. What a wonderful app, and all is for free. Then here is the startup. Manage startup items in system setting. With this, be able to manage every startup settings on your device. Just click on it and it's going to bring you this interface. Then now manage app that starts up whenever you on your device. That's a very good one. Then let's come to this place that says protection. Click on this protection. Once you click on the protection, then you have option that you can use on this platform. The first one is virus and threat protection. With this, you can scan your system completely against any virus, against any threat, any theft or threat on your device. Just click on this button and it's going to scan your device for you. So that is how to use that. Once you click on this button, it comes out as you can see that my device is scanning, and this will help me to scan my device for viruses and other infected files if any are available. Then you can use this one to update your device. Update, you can see you use this one to update your device. Then set Edge as a default browser. You can use it to set Microsoft Edge as default browser. Then as well, you can use this to restore, to repair your taskbar if your taskbar is corrupt. These three tools will help you to repair. Then you can use it as well to restore default apps. Maybe you've made some manipulation on your device and this affects how your device runs or how it performs. You can use these settings to clean up that. It helps you to restore default app. Then it also helps you to pop up management, block up Windows apps. Then you can as well you can use to check network. This is what you get under protection. You can as well use to see the device storage you have on your device. You can see that tells me that I have used some of my device. Based on what I have here, that 55% of my device has been used the other time, and the cleanup has been completed. You see, is under it have been completed, and you can use it to download. You can use this one to manage your download file. If you click on it, it's going to open a download file folder for us. All the folder will be downloaded. You have access to them in this place, so you can come out to this place and do one or two things about the download folder you have on your device. Then you can use this one to sort for large files, manage large file, and here on your C drive, you can see if your device is partitioned, you're going to have access to all the partition drives here. For example, my device is partitioned into two C and D drives. Let's quickly open this and you have access to that partition as soon as it comes up here. You can see that C and D drives is partitioned, and that shows that you can use this to search for large file on C drive and as well to search for large file on D drive. Then you can use to take away all duplicate files, my duplicate files. So this or disk, if you click on it, every duplicate files on your device is going to scan every damn thing and help you to remove the duplicate file. This is a very good tools that you need to try out on your device. Storage sense as well, to help you to manage storage sense on your device. So this is a very good one. Now let's come to the app section of this file. If you click on the app section, now it has bring out the duplicate files here. You can see all the duplicate files is here on my device. So you can actually now, if I want to delete, just select any one of it that you want to delete and you click on it, delete permanently by clicking on this button. This is a very good software. Now come to the apps. It can help you to process management. You can see processing management. 15 apps is running right away. Then deep uninstalling, you can use to uninstall app. Microsoft Store, you can use it as well to access Microsoft Store on your device. Then click on toolbars. Once you click on toolbars, you have access to these toolkit settings. The first one is show toolbar on the desktop. So if you click on this button, your toolbar will show on the desktop. You can see it's going to come up on desktop. Now turn it off. Then you can see you can use to screenshot. You can just want to screenshot. You can use to translate. You can use to create to screenshot a folder. You can use to record, caption, notepad. So many things you can do with this app just with tap on your PC. This is a very good one, guys. If you have not tried it out, you may lay your hand upon it and try it out. Now go to restore point or restore. Click on restore. Once you click on restore, just wait a bit and you go to see that this default setting were changed. Then you have access to them. You can as well go to clone board. If you click on clone board, you're going to have access to the clone board here. Just wait a few seconds and it's going to load. Deploy clone apps in the sandbox to help control access to core system resources and protect your PC. So you can create and deploy one here. Now let's take a look at settings on this device. Click on settings. When you click on settings, you see the performances of your system. That is smart boost settings. Then you have application usage duration. You have general setting. You have so many options that you can take a look and use on this platform. So I'm sure if you have this on your device, you're going to enjoy more of it, and it prevents you from wasting money on Cleaner app because this app is free. I mean completely free, even from the App Store. So guys, these are few things I want to show you guys about these apps on your device. If you enjoy it, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.